Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make high-quality protein powder at home. We will explore the benefits of crafting your own protein supplement, ensuring you know exactly what goes into your body. This approach allows for complete control over ingredients, avoiding unwanted additives and artificial sweeteners often found in commercial products. You will learn to create a versatile, nutritious powder that supports your fitness goals and overall well-being, all from your kitchen. To begin, select high-quality, whole food ingredients. Think about 1 cup of rolled oats, half a cup of almonds, and a 1/4 cup each of chia seeds and flax seeds. These provide a robust protein base and essential nutrients. For equipment, a high-speed blender is crucial for achieving a fine powder consistency. A fine mesh sieve will also be essential for sifting out any larger particles, ensuring a smooth final product. The key to a smooth powder is grinding ingredients individually. Start by blending 1 cup of rolled oats until they form a fine flour. Next, process half a cup of almonds and a 1/4 cup of cashews until powdery. Finally, blend smaller seeds like chia and flax. After blending each component, combine and sift the mixture through a fine mesh sieve. This step removes larger pieces, ensuring a consistent and high-quality protein powder. Personalize your protein powder by adding natural flavors. Consider incorporating 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder for a chocolate blend or 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a classic taste. A pinch of cinnamon can also add warmth. For storage, transfer your finished protein powder into an airtight container. Keep it in a cool, dry place. It will remain fresh and potent for approximately 2 to 3 weeks, ready for your next shake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.